today to induct 12 new individuals into the Gateway Classic Boxing Hall of Fame.
On behalf of Ms. Evelyn Rice Peebles, Commissioner of Recreation, I want to give a special thanks to Mr. Earl Wilson and the staff of the Gateway Classic for their support of recreation and boxing in St. Louis. We also want to thank Alderman Clay for his support of recreation over the years. We'd like to congratulate all of the members of the Boxing Hall of Fame and the inductees today. We know that your hard work and dedication over the years has had a lasting and positive effect on boxing and the children of the city. And the fruits of your labor are manifesting themselves right now because boxing is on a comeback. I see it every day. There's more and more children getting involved, and really you make the groundwork for that to happen. We want to also thank the Ozark Boxing Association for its support. And again, for the inductees going in today, the hard work that you put down has created a positive effect on the children and boxing, and it will last a lifetime. Thank you.
Leroy Grant represented Southwestern Bell, another sponsor for the event.
Someone asked me earlier, they said, why is Southwestern Bell involved in something like this? Well, I think these boxers, if you know anything about their histories, you know they've always been dedicated. They represented the interest of Southwestern Bell as a women's there. I can't think of a better group to be associated with. So again, on behalf of Southwestern Bell, thank you very much for allowing us to be a part of this outstanding event.
And at this time, we'll ask Irving Clay to come forward for remarks. He is the 25th Ward Alderman for the City of St. Louis and also a member of the Board of Directors for the Gateway Classic.
Thank you, Tina. It's always a pleasure to come to this event. It's a pleasure because there's an opportunity to congratulate the honorees. Those individuals who've been recognized today have paid their dues. Many of them have been boxers, and some of them have not been boxers. I was not a boxer. But I did work very many years in the Department of Recreation, formed the commissioner, and helped to foster the boxing program.
And of course, Merle Taylor, the president of the Ozark Boxing Association, enjoys the event as a reunion.
World biggest Hall of Fame deal, prestigious event. You know what's really great about it? Because we get to see each other while we're still alive instead of being somebody's food will say goodbye to somebody. Well, and that's why we need to be every time. Just because we got to get the Hall of Fame this year, tell us like next year to come back. There's some of us that come down here and get an award, they don't come back no more. So you at least bring the table back, we can throw this joint, because that's the only time we can see each other.
Willie Anderson, Merle Taylor, and Alderman Clay were among the former honorees who took part in a photo opportunity. The 2002 Gateway Classic Hall of Fame inductees are former boxer Randy Cross, who thanked the Lord, his family, and the Gateway Classic, along with the other inductees. The second honoree is former boxer William Trendley.
It's an incredible honor to be inducted in the St. Louis Hall of Fame.
Former boxer Vincent Webb acknowledged his former coach Ben Stewart, who he called his friend and mentor, and he also mentioned his family.
Cousin Wayne, cousin Kitten, father-in-law or wife, a kid. I just want to say I'm honored to be recognized in front of so many people and in front of St. Louis. Thank you.
Dr. James McCullum came next and referred to his years in boxing.
Someone remarked that I had been associated with St. Louis amateur boxing when Moby Dick was a minnow. Members of the Gateway Classic, Southwestern Bell, City Recreation, Mr. Wilson, fellow honorees, this is a monumental day for me. I am gratified and elated to be chosen for this award, and I accept with honor and humility. You know, it's always great to receive flowers when you can still smell them. Emanating from a humble background, serving in the field of education and recreation was a matter of payback to the community that assisted me to be who I am today. This award is not so much about me, but the fun relationships I've had with boxers, parents, coaches, officials, the Gateway Classic, and city recreation. Therefore, I have been obliged to serve as boxing announcer for these many years and will continue to do so. Thank you. God bless America.
Honoree Dan Kerner is an alderman, boxing judge, and announcer.
I feel deeply honored to get into this Hall of Fame since I never threw a punch in my life. I'm an announcer, I'm a judge, I try to do a good job at it. I've been at it for 18 years. I want to thank the Gateway Classic Sports Foundation, in particular Earl Wilson, for allowing me to enter his Hall of Fame. I know one thing in boxing, there is no color barrier. We're all one. And this is the way it should be throughout the city. And with the Merle, Steve Holly, John House, myself, and a few other people, including my wife, who is also an amateur judge, we will bring amateur boxing back and give these kids a chance. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2002 inductee Arthur Jimerson.
Former boxer Arthur Jimerson took his turn and praised his wife for her support during the years of training. In a very emotional acceptance, Nick Koukouris praised his mother for leading the family when his late father was ill.
And I want to thank the Sports Foundation for putting me in the Hall of Fame. I dig it, man. I dig it.
Former boxer Arthur Johnson acknowledged Merle Taylor and displayed a soft side he didn't have when he was boxing.
Because life is so short, man. I mean, just yesterday we was doing this, and I met Nick out in the hallway, and we were just, basically, both of us was almost in tears just to see each other. And it's so great, and I'm at a loss for words, guys. Thank you all.
The late great boxer Wardell Bolden was represented by family members who were proud of his faith and commitment to the community, and mentioned Willie Anderson standing on the right as someone who shaped his life. Former boxer James Clark was the final inductee to the 2002 Boxing Hall of Fame, and he gave praise to his friends and family, amongst others. After a few closing remarks from Earl Wilson, the Reverend Elmer Mitchell blessed the 8th Annual Gateway Classic Southwestern Bell City Recreation Boxing Hall of Fame ceremony. For City 16, I'm Todd Blackstock.